What is up, guys? Welcome back to Diversified Success. I am Luis. If you guys don't know who I am, I run a detailing business. My family started it, and that's what I do. I do the marketing. I do everything, building the business, taking it to the next level, trying to make a brand. And so that's what I'm doing here. And so that's that. You guys already know. My channel is your channel. Mi casa is your casa. Let me make sure this is recording. All right, it's recording, so let's go. So first things first, guys. We've been pretty slow, and you guys are probably not surprised. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have probably lost their jobs, probably got laid off, probably can't pay their rent right now. I know Trump is trying to make a little bill type thing, trying to give us some money so we can pay our bills. And that's just how it is, guys. I know a lot of people are panicking right now. Probably a lot of people are like, oh, how am I gonna pay my Starbucks now? Oh, how am I gonna go to the mall now and buy my new shoes or my new clothes or whatever? That's done. Okay, that's done. One thing I do want to say is, this is probably something great that's happening to us, and I know a lot of people are probably going to disagree. I'm sure if you're not about business and you're not about that side of stuff, you're probably going to disagree, and it's just the truth, guys. It's just the truth. This could be the beginning of something great. And right now, our business is taking a pretty good toll. We've been slow. It's Monday today, and we've only had 2 customers come in. And usually we have more than 2 customers come in. Come on. And so it's definitely taking a big hit. And it's because everyone's scared. That's what, when you watch the news, you're never going to see anything positive in the news. You're always going to see something negative, because that's what the news is. That's how they make their money. That's how we get scared. And so, if you're young like me, and I'm talking to the people who are my age, I'm 22 years old, about to be 23. And so if you're my age, I recommend you to stay calm, okay? One, you're 23 or 22 or around that age, right? You're still young. So this is something you probably didn't live. Like I didn't live, I lived it, but I don't remember it. Back in 2008, whenever stuff got wild back then. And we're doing it again, when it might come worse this time. So if you guys, this is a great opportunity to do things you've never done. And that could be, saving money, budgeting, not buying stupid crap, using your money right way. Money is energy. Without energy, you can't do a lot of things, and so you have to, don't make money work for you. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. Sorry about that. And so that's key, okay, guys? That's key during this recession, during this depression, whatever we go through. Stay positive, okay? That's the only thing that's gonna, make you survive this. When you panic, what happens when you panic? Look at, for instance, boxers. Whenever they're fighting and they panic, they're reacting out of fear. And what does that do? You're not thinking straight. You're not thinking how you're supposed to think. You're thinking too quick, and then you're trying to make a quick decision because of whatever circumstance you're in. But that's just how it is, guys. So if you have a side hustle, whatever it is, it's more likely gonna go down. It's just how it is, guys. Businesses are closing, your restaurants. You guys have no idea. If you're a waiter or you work in the restaurant industry, unless you're doing takeout orders, you're gonna get laid off. You're gonna get laid off. You're gonna go down. And I've been telling my people, my friends, hey, save your money. Just sit on some cash because these things happen. We've been waiting for this to happen. It happens every decade. It's a cycle. It's a cycle the economy goes through. It doesn't matter if if it was done on purpose or not. I don't know. I don't really look into conspiracies. I just go. Whatever comes to me. Okay, I got to react to it calmly and do it. Execute. And like I said, guys, I'm going to say this again. This could be something great for a bunch of you guys, especially if you're young, A lot of businesses might go down. A lot of businesses might shut down. And this is the time to, you come in and you do it better, And so if you've been seeing business, you're like, oh, I wish I could have done that. And right now, if they didn't budget, if they didn't save their money, if they didn't sit on cash, if they were stupid with their money, then they're more likely going to shut down. And what does that mean to you? You come in, you open that business back up, and you do it your way, you know, and do it the way they couldn't do it, and you're gonna stay open. So, you know, and I feel bad for a lot of businesses because, you know, especially if, you know, if you're under the 5-year mark, if you haven't had your business longer than 5 years, then you're more likely gonna go down. You know, it's gonna happen. And I know, you know, and I know Trump, you know, he's trying to do his best to give out money to everyone and stuff, and that's good, you know. But come on, guys, you know, why, you know, it's important to save your money, budget your money, and, you know, use your money wisely. You know, don't get so excited because you saw a piece of clothing or some shoes, and, you know, and you gotta buy it, and then after you buy it, you know, a bill comes up and you're like, damn, you know, I could have paid that bill, but I bought these shoes. And right now everyone's got bills, guys. You know, bills don't stop. They keep coming, and they will keep coming. They don't care if it's sunny outside, they don't care if it's stormy outside, you're gonna get a bill, you know. And I know a lot of cities right now, you know, a lot of states, they want to help the citizens, and that's good. You know, that's good because, you know, a lot of people don't know what it's like to go through a depression or go through a recession, especially if you have a business, especially if you rely paycheck to paycheck. You know, that's key, guys. You know, and this could be the beginning of, you know, new entrepreneurs. You know, maybe new people are going to start building businesses, you know, because, you know, they're like, you know, screw that. I'm not going through that again. You know, I'm going to start a business, you know, sit on some cash and, you know, have my emergency fund there. You know, whenever shit happens, you know, I'm going to be good. You know, my family's going to be good. And that's good, guys. So stay positive, guys. So don't panic. Don't go too crazy. Don't, you know, stock up on, you know, your necessities, and, you know, use your money wisely, guys. Right now we're slow, and we're probably gonna get even slower, but we've been, you know, we're smart with our money, and, you know, we prepare for things like this. You know, not fully prepared because you never know. You don't know when these things happen, but, you know, we're to some extent, you know, okay. You know, everything's not okay, but like I said, stay positive. You're not gonna do anything being negative and, you know, not doing anything like that. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be posting more videos, especially right now with all this time I have in my hands. You know, right now I'm trying to, you know, I'm taking time right now to, you know, make some ads on Facebook, you know, find a way to, you know, bring more customers in. Right now we're doing like a pickup service. So, you know, a lot of people don't want to go out. So, hey, we'll go to you, we'll pick up your car, and we'll bring it back, clean it up, and drop it back off. You know, and things like that. You know, you got to innovate. When, you know, when things go hard like this, you got to think outside the box. Innovate, you know, make new things, you know, post on your Facebook, show people, you know, how you clean the cars, you know, entertain, you know. Don't you know, don't panic, don't make, you know, don't give people, you know, an excuse to panic or whatever, right? So like I said, guys, you know, try new things, do new things, make new things, and I mean this is gonna be over before you know it. And so it is gonna, you know, like I said, a lot of businesses are gonna suffer, and it's gonna take, you know, some time to pick up, you know, depending, you know, if it gets worse or, you know, if it doesn't. But yeah, guys, so stay tuned to my other videos I'll be posting, and thank you guys, my 37 subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Comment down below. You know, I like talking to you guys. You know, the people who do comment, you know, I will comment back. So, you know, stay tuned, guys. I love you. Stay positive, and hopefully everyone stays safe, guys. Thank you.